Your next car could be the 2020 Ford Fusion. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a stunning Ford Fusion, the sleek midsize four-door that rolls sleek looks, smart tech, and luxurious amenities into a sporty package. It infuses every drive with style and confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, sunroof, satellite radio, remote engine start, lane keeping assist, iPod, MP3 input, Wi-Fi hotspot, power driver seat. Take control of the daily commute in smart style. This sporty Fusion is waiting, and our team is standing by to give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.